Okay, today let's look at how to build a list section on your website. So you're in your 7.1 Squarespace site. You're going to click Edit. Let's just add a set list section here. This is good just to show your services in a nice, succinct, orderly way. It gives it a nice structure, easy to lay out. So let's go down to Services. You're going to find one of these to start. Let's go into this mode here. This one's pretty simple. So now you see Squarespace gives us 3 levels that we can adjust here. These are different features within this section. So first I'm going to edit section, and I'm going to go into my colors, and I'll add one of my background colors. So let's do this one light for the purposes of demonstration, just to differentiate it from completely white section. But you see, we'll go into color palettes in a different video. Okay, let's go to format. Looks good. And we could add a background image through the entire thing, but let's just use the solid color for now. And click out of that, and let's hit edit content, and let's shape up our design first. So these buttons here will tell us what elements we want to feature, right? So if I click on this, for example, all of these items in here will show a button here. So let's go ahead and, you can see everything here. You got the image, got the title, you got the bottom button here, an image, title, body text, and a button here. So let's go into design. Let's just clean this up a little bit. So let's go ahead, and I like this alignment here, flush left, and I like the cropping here for the images. Gives a little bit tighter window, and then I like to decrease the spacing between items too, just tighten everything up here. So let's go to style first. This controls the size of this general section, so let's bump it up to medium, and then you can manually adjust that. Always click on these 3 dots so you can adjust each of these items individually as far as the size, which is great. And if you hit card, that'll create a little card around that. It looks nice if you're trying to frame some services. Let's go back, turn that off. But you can see you can increase individual elements like that, which is very handy, which I like. And then the size of the button, of course. Okay, so let's just go back out of that. Alright, let's actually set that up here. So let's start adding some content. Let's replace this. We'll use the stock image for here. Okay, let's just pretend we have a vacation site. Change that image first. You can import your own images. I'm just going to pick these for demonstration from the stock images. Some are free in Squarespace, which is great. Alright, we'll just pick something else here. Give us 3 nature shots. And let's see. Let's go in size and space. And let's give space between items small. I like that. Space between elements also small. I like to tighten everything up. And let's see, I use this setting here, position, which is great because it'll, no matter how long the text underneath each item is, it will line up nicely. So I do this full width setting, full height setting. And now let's go back. I'm going to clean this up. I don't really need this bottom button if I'm going to have 3 of these under each section. So I'm going to go back to the main content, elements, and I'll delete, oh, not that one. Delete this main button here. Okay. And now I have this nice section. Looks a little tall, so let's go back into design. Style and space. Vertical padding, let's decrease that. But again, you can always manually do that, right? So let's go back to small. I'm going to decrease this a little bit there. Okay. have this nice. Alright, that's alright, let's decrease that manually. Let's go back here. That looks good. Vertical padding small. Okay, great. Let's hit save. Always save your work. And now we can go in here and create 3 different sections. So we're going to hit edit content. And let's just pretend these are destinations. I'm going to hit, give this, maybe that looks like Florida with the palm trees. I don't know, this could be Vermont, the woods. And this can be Denver, the mountains, okay? And let's change the title. Let's pretend it's a travel agency, so it's our destinations. And then maybe we'll change the button to say book now. Visit Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or Orlando. Alright, and then you can set that destination link to a page. So it can hit edit, and then you can set that to go to another page on your website. So you can fix these all up and add these descriptions. Click that action button and you're all set here. But the key to success here is to go into edit content, hit design, and then adjust the space and sizing here to give yourself a nice list section.